Okay friends, today I'm going to present the latest prototype of my security system. So how did I do that? You can see this thing. This is called an Arduino. This Arduino is an electronics prototype system which has a microcontroller and I can program it via USB and my computer here. Okay, the software called Arduino installed in my computer. You can find it in the description. Then to sense the distance, I use this. This is called an ultrasonic transmitter and receiver. Shortly, ultrasonic transceiver. This this speaker sends out signal, and when it hits something, that signal is echoed back to here. It calculates the distance as a pulse. So I give this pulse through all those kinds of wires to the Arduino, and I have written a program from this computer to Arduino to calculate the distance. And also you can find this this you can see this thing, right? This is called an LDR, a light dependent resistor. Using it, I can calculate the light in my room. So there's two logics here. If the distance is lower than some value and the light is lower than some value, an alarm will sound from this speaker. Let's try it. Now here I have programmed it to sense up to 1 meter, but you can see it does not sense anything because the other condition, the light level must be low, has not been fulfilled. So let's just turn off the lights. Ta-da! Now I move my hand over to here. Oh yeah, you can see the alarm sounds. Here, it has been reset. Now again, if someone moves, just like I move to the in front of the sensor, it will sound. This is the prototype. I hope to. Oh yes, shit. I'm getting caught all over. So how I could bypass that? Shit. See, it doesn't matter. You move faster. It detects you. See, you can't escape that. It has a field about 1 meter, so I'm going to turn on the lights again. Yeah. See, now nothing happens. But if I manually cover it, I think it would sound. So I cover the light sensor here, and let's check it out. Here you can see the alarm also sounds. So that's it. Thank you my friends for watching my video.